So we're gonna be replacing the high beams today. Currently, the customer has on one of the high beams, he has installed a brand called Super Bright. They're 9005s, and on this side, he has a stock halogens. Right. So we're gonna be replacing both with our Lasfit 9005s. Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna start on the passenger side. It's pretty easy to get to. We got our LA 9005s. That's what we're gonna be using. So we already know LED is going to be brighter than the stock halogens, right? But we just want to compare to see how bright our LA series is compared to the customer's aftermarket super brights, okay? So we'll be installing this side first. So to get to it, it's literally right there. You can see the plug and everything right there. So what I recommend first is unplug it. Once you unplug it, twist it out. Pop out, put it to the side, and put in your new bulb. Once it's in, just plug it in. Alright, disconnect it and we'll test it now, okay? We'll light it up. There we go. Alright, so that's our LA 9005, producing 3600 lumens, actually it's 3800 lumens per bulb, okay? And that is the aftermarket high beam made by Super Brights, okay? You can see it's a big difference in luminosity, brightness. So we're gonna finish and do the driver's side now, okay? So now we're gonna be replacing the driver's side, okay? It's pretty exposed right here, pretty much. Just click it, unplug it, twist it, and it's out. All right. So this is the difference between the Super Bright 9005s and our Lasfit LA Series 9005s. Okay. So pretty easy. Just connect, line it up with its respective slots, twist. Lock it in place, make sure it's secured. Grab your cable, connect it. Alright, connect it. And we'll test it out now. Alright, so if this ever happens where you light it up and it doesn't turn on, you can see the high beams are on. Don't freak out, okay? All it is that since our bulbs are polarity protected, all you do is unhook it again. Okay. Unhook it. And all you gotta do is make sure you flip this over. You see right now how it has the positive and minus facing upwards? All you gotta do is just flip it over and reconnect. Okay? Click. And there you go. Okay? And that's your final results, guys. If you have any questions, let us know. We're more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.